Get ready, it's that time of the year again, Feast of Tabernacles 2024. You can visit www.straightwaynetwork.com for all up-to-date information about the feast. You have easy access. Just click the feast banner at the top of the homepage. For the saints that are coming, please be mindful that viruses are on the rise around this time of the year. While we all trust in the Most High for our help and healing, He has also blessed us with herbs of the field and righteous leadership that promotes taking them. Please go to www.householdherbs.com and stock up on antiviral tinctures. We suggest taking maintenance doses starting 2 weeks prior to the feast, during the feast, and 2 weeks after the feast.
Saints, make sure to check over your vehicle before driving to the feast and drive safe on the way here. When you turn on Pumpkin Town Lane, it is not NASCAR. Stay off the neighbors' driveways and yards. Here are some events to look forward to during the feast this year. Orientation will be held at the shop on the top of the hill. Date and time to be announced. Are you ready to start your morning worshiping and praising the Most High? Pastor Corey will be hosting early morning prayer with the saints in the tabernacle. Dates and times to be announced.
Who's looking forward to Straitway Marketplace and Children's Marketplace? Saints will be set up selling an array of products. Wi-Fi access is limited. Please make sure to bring cash for purchases. Held in the downhill dining hall, and the Children's Marketplace will be held outside. Dates and times to be announced.
You don't have to wait till Marketplace to purchase Mother Carol's luxurious skincare products and fragrances. Check out her website, Saints, at www.care-elle.com. Nice and natural care includes soaps, facial, body, hair, personal hygiene, and baby skincare products. For those who know that natural beauty thrives when using clean and healthy ingredients.
Make sure to attend Michael Israel's diet, health, and wellness class in the tabernacle. Dates and times to be announced. Household Herbs will be offering wellness consultations again this year during Marketplace. Now, tinctures are available in 32 ounces.
Be on the lookout at this year's Marketplace. Bloom and Bliss is a holistic women's wellness product line by Household Herbs created to work in harmony with your unique feminine needs. Bloom with confidence and inner bliss at every stage of your journey. Are you looking for high-quality, pure apparel that is stylish and comfortable? Z's Fit is custom embroidery to ensure your clothes are unique and personalized. You can pre-order for the feast now at www.zsfit.com. When you visit the website, make sure to subscribe to their mailing list for exclusive dates and drops. Follow on Instagram and Facebook too. Come join us for Sister Erica's and Sister Gabby's Women Nutritional class in the Tabernacle. Date and time to be announced.
Make sure to visit www.straightwaynetwork.com prior and during the feast for the most up-to-date schedules for the feast. Check out the list of items that we suggest you bring.
Whether you are donating or shopping, come visit us at Judas Closet. Gather up your donations and bring them to the feast with you. Please make sure all items are clean and acceptable for your brothers and sisters. Judas Closet will be open September 17th through September 24th. Times will be from breakfast until sundown. Locations to be announced.
We look forward to praising Yah with you at Midnight Air. This will be located at the shop at the top of the hill. There will be music and food booths. Make sure to bring cash donations for each food booth you visit. Date and time to be announced. We always look forward to
Straight Rock Jamboree. Say Straight Rock Jamboree.
Get ready for Yah fun-filled activities for boys and girls ages 2 to 16. A parent or guardian must be present for children ages 2 to 5. Dress comfortably and bring a water bottle. Date, time and location to be announced. Chip, watermelon, and Gatorade offerings are accepted. Please contact Sister Lee via Marco Polo.
It's tea time!
We look forward to the Daughters of Zion Tea Party. Only saints who have already RSVP'd may attend. Tea party attire or garments required. Don't worry, our daughters won't be having all the fun. Boys ages 6 and 16 may attend Sukkah, Grill, and Chill. These two events will be happening at the same time. If you desire to donate or give an offering, please contact Sister Lee. Date, location, and times to be announced.
Come jam with us this feast. Straitway Jams is hosting music classes and wave offerings. Please feel free to bring your own instrument. Wave offerings will be held uphill before sundown. Date, location, and time for classes to be announced.
Ready, set, go!
Who's excited for our annual Hot Wheels tournament? Located in the Uphill Dining Hall. Date and time to be announced.
Make sure to visit www.straightwaynetwork.com prior and during the feast for the most up-to-date schedules for the feast. Check out the list of items that we suggest you bring. Do you want to be a blessing? Here's a list of items requested to help serve our brothers and sisters this feast. You can ship items prior to coming to the feast or bring them with you. Please make sure to call the dining hall and give a list of items that you will be donating so that we can account for everything. We want to give a special thanks and acknowledgement to our beloved Pastor Dowell, his family, and Straitway Hub for hosting the Saints of the Most High Yah every feast. Thank you to the communities, North Carolina, Goshen, Kentucky East and North, Nashville, Missouri, Clarksville, House of Unity, South Carolina, Alabama, Praiseland, and the Hub Offlanders for your labor of love, providing meals, snacks, Shabbat desserts, and coffee to all who join us at the feast. Thank you for pulling together to serve Yah's people by organizing all the amazing events at each feast and keeping the land and facilities clean. May Yah bless the labor of your hands. We pray everyone traveling from far and wide is blessed by the fellowship, food, and feast events.
We look forward to see you soon, Saints. Shalom!
And as Pastor Muir always says, it's that law, baby. Finna show 'em what's up.
We finna show them what's up.